Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study about table of content. What is table of content and how we can insert it. So table of content basically is used to make index, like a book contain index just at the first in the starting page, which indicate where which chapter is placed present on which page number. In the same way we can make an index in computer also. So for this, first of all we have to take a document which contain multiple pages. Like this, it is a document which contain around 12 pages. I will select all data, control A to select and control C to copy, and I will paste the data to number of pages, control V 2 3 times. So now we can look here, it contain 45 pages. Now suppose it is a very long, lengthy document and it is chapter 1. So first of all I will place headings chapter 1, control C, I will copy it, and after 2-3 page I will say it is chapter 2, and after few pages I say it is chapter 3, chapter 4. Like this I place few headings which are chapters. Now here I say it is introduction of this chapter, so it is heading 2. I will copy this heading and will place it is introduction of chapter 2, it is introduction of chapter 3, and introduction of chapter 4. In the same way here I write a new heading, details. It is heading 3. I will copy this heading and will place here detail of this chapter is this, like this. Now again suppose here is the summary, I say it is heading 4. I will copy this summary heading and will place after every chapter. Like this. So in this document I place multiple headings which indicate different section of a chapter. Now based on this heading we can create a table of content. For this I will put my cursor just starting of the document, I will press control enter. It will generate a new blank page, or we can insert a blank page directly from here also by blank page. So either we can insert from here or we can press control enter to generate to insert a blank page. Now we'll come back to the references menu. Here in table of content I will go insert table. We can directly click from here also, or in insert of table content we can insert a table of content from here also. Now the same thing as we discussed in insert table of figures in last video, same thing we can do here. First of all we have to select a template, which type of uh, table of content we want to make, and here are the options. If we want to make uh, if, if we keep this option on, it will work like an hyperlink. If this option is off, it will work as a label only, not hyperlink, and so it will show on or off page number, it will align the page number left or right, and it will show entry level. My document contain 4 level of headings, so we will say 4, otherwise 3 level only will show in index. So like this we can insert an index which is like this. Now if I press Ctrl key from the keyboard and click on it, it will bring us at chapter 1. And in the same way, if we want to go just starting of the document, we'll press Control Home. Control Home will bring us just in the starting of the document. If I press Control and click on Introduction of chapter 3, it will bring us introduction of chapter 3. Control Home will go back, and if I press chapter 4, it will bring us at chapter 4. So like this we can place caption. Now one more thing is this: if I copy this heading and after chapter 4 I will place here chapter 5. It is chapter 5, and here is the introduction. I will make it heading 2, and it is the details. It is heading 3, and here is the summary heading 4. So we can update all these things also, because these are not, chapter 5 is not present in the index. So either I will do right click on this table and click on update fields, or I will go to references menu and click on update table and update entire table. That field will be added in the chapter, sorry, that chapter will be added in the index, like this. So like this we can make we can create an index based on within a document based on the heading. So heading are the backbone, or we can say basic units to make an index. Without heading we cannot create index, and everything that we want to show index we have to make that as an heading. So this is the concept of how we can insert an index, or how we can make table of content in a document. I hope all these things will be clear to you, but still then if you have some problem you can ask me through comment, and if it is clear to you and helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more topics like this. Thanks for watching.